Neil McEvoy, the Plaid Cymru candidate, back again. This is part 2 of the same video. I'm going to upload them simultaneously. We're in the back garden now, and the resident is just too embarrassed to be being shot. Have you complained to the council about this?
Yes, through my tenant support worker.
Yeah? How many times?
Numerous, lot, couldn't even count.
So how long has it been like this?
To this date, going on for 2 years.
2 years.
Yeah.
Rats?
Rats, the size of cats.
So how many times have your children played in this back garden?
I've got a 7-year-old boy and he's never ever been able to play out in the back garden.
Okay, so you've got Cardiff Council, Housing Department, okay? Professional people on telephone salaries, okay? 120, 130,000 pounds a year and so on and so forth. It is council or is it housing association?
No, it's council.
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 And this is how tenants in Cardiff are having to live. So can I have a look at this over here? The blue things are the rat pellets on the floor. Okay, so the council have been out this property and they have treated a rat problem. The back door is broken. There's a mattress over it so people can get in and out of homes, breaking my neck standing on stuff. Out of all the things I've seen over the last few months, this is probably the most disgusting. There's a shed there, the door's broken. I won't even tell you, I won't even begin to tell you what is in it. Now this is a Labour-run council, a Labour-run assembly. We've got a Labour MP, and this is how people have to live. They complain and nothing is done. But I'll tell you what, Plaid Cymru is a growing force in this city. The Party of Wales is getting bigger and bigger and stronger every single day. We're getting new members and people are telling us about things like this. Things are changing. We're going to make sure that problems like this are sorted out. May the 5th, God willing, I get elected to the Assembly, we'll have an office, we'll have full-time staff, and I want you guys out there to report anything like this and we'll get it sorted out. Okay? That's a promise. Diolch yn fawr, Neil McEvoy, just for once. I can't even, I am shocked, but this is developing into being the norm and we're not having it. Thank you, diolch.